2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, fog lights, bed liner, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, speed control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.